Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Have you ever wondered why some guys seem to effortlessly attract the attention and affection of girls, while others are left wondering what went wrong? Well, my friend, today we are diving deep into a fascinating topic that will change the way you approach dating and relationships. Buckle up, because we're about to uncover the raw truth behind why girls just aren't chasing you. The illusion of movie romance. We've all been captivated by those enchanting films where the hero embarks on epic quests to win the heart of the girl. Think about it: traveling across oceans, slaying metaphorical dragons, and presenting treasures that would make any treasure chest envious. It's the stuff of fairy tales, right? But here's the twist: while those movie moments make our hearts flutter, real life doesn't exactly follow the same script. The truth is, the romantic narrative spun by Hollywood isn't always a seamless fit for reality. Following this silver screen advice when it comes to matters of the heart often leads to a destination no one wants to find themselves in: the dreaded friend zone. Let's be honest with ourselves for a moment. In real life, the dynamics of attraction, connection, and romance aren't scripted like in the movies. We can't just perform grand gestures and expect everything to fall perfectly into place. The reality of human relationships is far more intricate and nuanced. Picture this: you pour your heart into doing everything for the girl you're interested in. You're willing to cross oceans, metaphorically speaking, to show your dedication. You're always ready to slay dragons, tackling any problem or obstacle that comes her way. And yes, you're generous with your time and resources, showering her with treasures. But here's where the twist comes in. In real life, this approach often leads to the heart-wrenching realization that she's put you in the friend zone. It's not that you aren't valued, it's just that your intentions and efforts might not be translating as you hope. The grand gestures that seem so captivating in movies can sometimes signal a lack of authentic connection. The high-value man concept. Here's the thing, my friend. Girls are naturally drawn to guys who they perceive as being better than them. Before you assume this is about ego, let's untangle this mystery. It's deeply rooted in our primal instincts, an unconscious quest for a partner who can provide and protect. Here's where it gets interesting. A guy who appears somewhat unavailable isn't playing hard to get just for the sake of it. This mysterious quality triggers a powerful subconscious thought in her that you're chasing after something bigger and more important than her. And that, my friend, is where the high-value aura takes shape. Picture this scenario: you're a guy who's got your own pursuits, goals, and aspirations. You're living a life where your passions drive you. This inherently translates into a radiating confidence and a magnetic appeal. It's not about putting her down. It's about standing tall in your own path. But here's where it takes a twist. Being available 24/7, ready to bend over backward for her while it might seem like the gentlemanly thing to do, can actually trigger a counterproductive response. Instead of seeing you as a hero, she might interpret this as a sign of desperation and replaceability. Remember that old saying, treat her like a celebrity, and she'll treat you like a fan. It's more than just words. It's a profound insight into how these dynamics work. Showering her with constant attention and placing her on a pedestal can inadvertently lead her to see you as someone who's readily available and replaceable. But here's the silver lining: you have the power to redefine the script. Embrace your own path, pursue your passions, and radiate the confidence that comes with being a guy who's chasing his dreams. It's not about playing games. It's about recognizing your own value and letting that magnetic essence speak for itself. The alpha male mystique. We've all heard about the alpha male, the bad boy, and the jerk. Now, they might not be everyone's cup of tea, but here's the intriguing truth: they all possess a powerful trait that makes them stand out. Brace yourselves as we delve into the captivating realm of the alpha male mystique. You've probably heard these terms thrown around in conversations about attraction. While they might conjure up different images, there's a common thread that ties them together: an unshakable focus on themselves and an unwavering frame when it comes to interactions with girls. Trust me, That's where the real magnetism lies. Let's talk about holding a strong frame. Picture it as your personal sphere of influence. It's where your rules, values, and leadership guide the course of interactions. People, including girls, naturally align with this frame. It's not about being domineering. It's about having a sense of self that's so strong that others are drawn in. Here's the twist: when a girl tests your frame, whether she's aware of it or not, it's a litmus test for your emotional and mental strength. How you react matters. An emotionally stable, mentally robust response is like a beacon of confidence. It shows her that you can't be easily swayed. And that's a magnetic quality she won't be able to resist. Think about it, these guys don't apologize for who they are. They're not chasing validation or approval. They're busy shaping their own path. And that, my friend, is the allure. It's not about adopting a personality that's not you. It's about embracing your strengths and convictions. Cultivating the chase. Get ready to unveil the game changer, because this is the part where everything shifts. If you're tired of wondering why girls aren't chasing you, it's time to rewrite the rulebook. Buckle up as we dive into the art of cultivating the chase. Here's the golden rule. Stop being at her beck and call all the time. If you want to be the one who's chased, you've got to maintain an enigmatic aura. Leave her curious, wanting to unravel the layers that make you who you are. And here's a secret: she'll be captivated. Your secret weapon: focus on your passions and goals. When you're chasing your dreams, you emit a magnetic energy that's hard to resist. It's not about playing hard to get. It's about embracing your own path and inviting her to join your journey. Confidence and self-assuredness are your allies in this pursuit. Confidence doesn't mean being arrogant. It means knowing your worth and radiating that assurance in everything you do. When she senses that unshakable confidence, she won't be able to resist wanting to be a part of your world. Picture this: you're out there, working on your personal projects, conquering your fears, and embracing new challenges. You're not just building an incredible life for yourself. You're building a life that she'll want to be a part of. That's the magic of cultivating the chase. Wrapping things up, my friend, the raw truth is simply a transformative. Girls are drawn to the chase, to those who have an unapologetic aura of confidence, mystery, and independence. So, before you embark on another quest to slay metaphorical dragons for her affection, pause and reflect. Focus on becoming the best version of yourself, and watch how the chase game changes. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more eye-opening content. Remember, life is an adventure, and you're the hero of your own story. Until next time, stay confident, stay intriguing, and keep chasing your dreams.